Okay, here is boil them cabbage down. This is the violin part. So we have the first part is going to be easy, and then we're going to have a slightly harder variation in the middle, and then a third slightly harder variation at the end. And if you decide you don't want to do the harder variations, then you can just do the first part 3 times. You can do the first 2 lines, then the second 2 lines, then back to the first 2 lines if you want to. So here's how it goes. Now I've got my metronome at quarter note equals 90. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. You need an A. Here's your A. Okay, quarter note equals 90. 1, 2,